as birds, bees, and bats to produce fruits. So imagine what would happen to the global food supply chain if the number of pollinators decrease. JoyNews MAHMUD MOHAMMED-NURUDEEN has more.
Imagine living in a world without flowers, fruits, or plants. Much of the food, flowers and plants we eat today are made possible through the work of pollinators such as birds, bees, bats, among others.
Almost all the plants depend on one insect or the other for pollination. Then you come to the vegetables. The okra is one that comes immediately to mind. Garden eggs, tomatoes, they all have to be pollinated by one insect or another.
Despite the importance of these pollinators, they are often taken for granted. There is currently an alarming decline in their population globally. Excessive use of pesticides and an ever-expanding conversion of landscape for human use are the biggest threat to pollinator population.
So the more we use chemicals in the field trying to manage the other insects that we call pests, the more we kill the ones that are also helping us to produce the crop. Okay. And like I was saying earlier on, if the crop doesn't get pollinated, what you get is a straight stick of okra standing there, which is not very useful.
Pollinators indirectly play an important role in what we eat and consume, as 75% of plants are grown by them. Bats, for instance, often portrayed as scary creatures, save billions of dollars of crops each year while reducing the need for chemical pesticides.
As the bat is trying to hang in there and feed on the flower, or because there's nectar in the flower, the bat wants to take that nectar. It has to hang around because of gravity. If it doesn't blow or fan with the wings very hard, it's going to fall down below where it can pick the nectar. So in all that action, they generate, if I call it, vortices, which help some of the pollen to come out.
Unlike other seed-dispersing animals, fruitivorous bats travel long distances, helping plants grow and survive in a variety of locations. They are considered key species in many tropical and desert ecosystems, meaning the survival of other species, perhaps even humans, depends on bats.
They play a very big, significant role in our community or in our environment. You know, some feed on fruits, some feed on insects. Those who feed on insects feed a lot on mosquitoes. Mosquitoes too. You know, mosquitoes are nuisance to us. We get malaria. Malaria is one of the diseases in Ghana or in the third world where we are finding it difficult to eliminate.
If we lose our pollinators, at least half of the crop productivity will be gone. Unfortunately, we haven't managed to put figures on some of these things, okay, because our research base in entomology, for example, is quite weak. There are a lot of crops to research on, a lot of things to do. Just a handful of entomologists.
For JoyNews, MAHMUD MOHAMMED-NURUDEEN's report.
Interesting there, and Francisca, I bet you didn't know bats were that useful.
The last time we talked about bats, it was when there was an Ebola scare.
Ebola.
Yes, hopefully that's not coming here anytime soon.
Anyway, we're taking a break once more here.